Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos!
Mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng corporate giveaways at kasama natin si Ma'am Ross.
Hello, good afternoon, mabuhay, and welcome to Manila Canvas.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa booth nyo ma'am, is ano pala yung mga products or mga items na binibenta nyo po?
Yes, proudly, we are one of the few exhibitors here na proudly made in the Philippines ang items. So talagang if you are looking for souvenirs or corporate giveaways, kami yung masasabi mong gawang Pinoy at magaling ang gawang Pinoy.
And ma'am, ano pala yung showcase nyo dito sa event na to ma'am?
Okay, we are actually a souvenir cafe. We're located in different areas, but here for the corporate giveaways, we are carrying about 100 local brands. And if you are looking for souvenirs, we can customize and we can also put together a package na iba't ibang from food and non-food items na locally made.
And Ma'am Ross, regarding po pala sa mga items nyo, is ano pala yung pinaka-bestseller na binibili po nila?
Okay, one of our first few products when we were only Cactus and Canvas ay yung Acacia clocks, if I can just show you. Ayan. So, this is our best seller, made of acacia item talaga. And then, for our newest items, dahil continuously nag-provide tayo ng mga bagong designs, we have the Solihia clock, and which can also be a plaque. And it can also be a chopping board or actually multiple items na pwede nyo ipa-customize.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa mga ganito ma'am, is ano po yung pinakamalapit na branch dito po sa Manila po?
Okay, so we have 4 branches. In Manila, we have 3, 2 in Intramuros, 1 inside Fort Santiago, so it's called Otop Manila Canvas, and 1 in Museo de Intramuros. And if you are going to Luneta, sana mabisita mo kami. We also have a souvenir cafe inside Rizal Park, Luneta. And if you're from the south, please do visit us at Alabang Town Center. It's Otop Manila Canvas.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa ganito ma'am, is syempre matatapos na tong last day na po tomorrow, is ano pa yung upcoming events na magjo-join kayo?
Actually, we mostly join bridal fairs. Doon kami nag-start. But if you are if you want yung mga local items talaga, we are also part of mga DTI trade fairs, ganyan. Please do like and follow Manila Canvas para doon kayo ma-update sa mga events. But if you have an upcoming event, you may bring us. We have coffee carts and ang bestseller namin, on-site engraving. So if you want your souvenirs na ma-experience din ng guests nyo or ng followers mo, yung name nila ma-engrave, you may bring our on-site engraving sa events nyo. So you may join our events or bring us to your events.
And ma'am, meron po ba kayong mga ibang platform na kunwari Shopee, TikTok, Lazada, just in case gusto nilang umorder online ma'am?
Yes, you may buy from us sa Lazada, but you can also order via our Facebook pages. So wala kaming, we don't require you to order 100, kahit isa lang. As long as you are supporting local, it's a big help for us.
Ma'am, please invite naman po sa ating mga viewers na visit sa mga nyo po, stores.
Yeah, so if you're going to Luneta or Intramuros, you'll be touring historical places but also supporting local brands by buying or dropping by Manila Canvas or Souvenir Cafe sa mga tourist spots na to.
Once again, thank you Ma'am Ross.
Thank you so much. Mabuhay!